So I'll be showing you how to disable the SIM pin on your OnePlus 13. So go to settings. Under settings, scroll to security and privacy, tap on that, and then go to more security and privacy, tap on that. And then if you scroll to the security section, you will see SIM card lock. Now, if you tap on that, if you have a dual SIM setup, you'll see both SIM cards there. Now choose the SIM card whose pin you want to disable. Now currently you can see it's enabled. So to disable, just turn this off. It's going to ask for your current pin. So make sure you give that the correct pin and then tap on the check mark, and that SIM card is going to get unlocked. Okay, so you can see that's disabled. That means we no longer have a SIM pin for that particular SIM card. And that is basically how to disable a SIM pin in OnePlus 13. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.